Good morning class. Now after the national and domestic income, now let's start the numerical part. First of all, depreciation at the gross level and at the net level, how we are going to deal with the depreciation. If gross anything will be asked you to calculate, you have to add the depreciation. Reason, because it is a total addition to the capital stock of the economy which always includes the depreciation. सो अगर ग्रॉस में आपको कुछ भी एग्रीगेट पूछा है, लाइक ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्शन एट द मार्केट प्राइस, ग्रॉस नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट द मार्केट प्राइस या फैक्टर कॉस्ट, तो ग्रॉस वर्ड वेयर एवर यू सी यू हैव टू एड द डेप्रिसिएशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज द नेट. At the time of the net, that means the net investment is the actual addition to the capital stock of the economy which is derived by deducting depreciation from gross investment. तो wherever you see net आपको जहां भी दिखता है आपको वहां पे depreciation डिडक्ट करना है. Next thing is your net indirect taxes, NIT. If directly it is given, well and good. If it is not given, so we can calculate NIT by indirect taxes minus subsidies. Indirect taxes, चाहे entertainment tax हो, sales tax हो, any type of the tax will be included in the indirect taxes. So it is not sure कि always they will give you IT. They can give you excise duty also, custom duty. So all these things are your indirect taxes. So whenever the aggregates are asked you to calculate at the market price, so market price at that time we have to add the NIT, because market price is the price at which the commodities or goods or services are sold in the market. So we have to add NIT. Factor cost, by that means the payments which is given to the factors of the production. So when we used to calculate the aggregate at the factor cost, we have to deduct NIT. Direct NIT is given, so good. If it is not given, so IT minus subsidies करके you have to calculate. Next one, if the national income they will ask you, you have to add net factor income from abroad. डायरेक्ट गिवन है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं है तो फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड माइनस फैक्टर इनकम टू अब्रॉड. इफ एट द डोमेस्टिक लेवल दे आस्क यू, तो यू हैव टू डिडक्ट माइनस NFIA. द नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड विल बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम -2 करके आपको माइनस करना है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एग्रीगेट्स. There is no fixed formula to calculate anything. You should know that at the gross level what we have to do, at the net level what you have to do, MP, FC, national, domestic, what things you have to include or deduct, that thing. Now first of all, GDP MP, that format is different in all three methods of calculating the national income, but at last we can say that all the market value of the goods and the services which is being produced in the accounting year in the economy, all these things will be included. Now if GDP MP, they'll ask you to calculate GNP MP, तो आप GDP MP से भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. कैसे? Whatever the answer comes of the GDP MP, keep the answer over here. Now gross same, domestic, national. Now अब domestic को आपको किस में चेंज करना है? National. तो for national what we have to do? Plus NFIA. तो we added plus NFIA. Otherwise market price is same. If the next thing they ask you, calculate net domestic product at market price. So from both the aggregates you can calculate. Like from GDP MP, gross को first of all net में convert करना है, तो gross to net आने के लिए minus depreciation, तो minus depreciation. Then domestic level is same, market price level is same. Now from GNP if they ask you to calculate, तो first of all gross to net minus का depreciation, national to domestic माइनस का NFIA, एंड MP to MP is same. So this is your formula. Same with NNP MP, net national product at market price. आप GDP MP से भी कर सकते हो, GNP MP से भी, NDP MP से भी, किससे से भी. सबसे पहले GDP MP, तो gross to net माइनस depreciation, domestic to national plus NFIA, MP to MP same. Now gross to net माइनस depreciation, national level same है, MP same है. Now NDP MP, net same, so no need for the depreciation. Domestic to national plus NFIA and MP same. Now if factor cost they ask you, so factor cost also you can calculate from everything. First of all like GDP MP, तो GDP MP का जो भी आंसर है उसको रखो. Then gross same है, domestic is same, and MP to FC, तो for FC what we have to do? Minus NIT, तो minus NIT we will write. Now फिर GNP MP, तो gross same, national to domestic, so that means minus NFIA, MP to FC, for FC minus के NIT. Same with the NDP MP, net to gross, minus depreciation, domestic same, MP to FC minus NIT. In this way you can change any aggregate in anything. Now your next topic is methods of calculating national income. National income means NNPFC you have to calculate. So first of all I am discussing over here the product method. Whatever they ask you to calculate, but your first step should be this one. Sales plus change in stock means value of output minus intermediate consumption. Sales means if total sales is directly given to you in the item, so first of all you have to consider sales. If sales is not given, then we have to calculate, like A firm sales to B, A firm sales to household sector, एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑफ फर्म ए. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप ऐड करोगे तो ए फर्म की सेल्स बन जाएंगी. बट इन सभी आइटम्स के साथ में इफ वन मोर आइटम इज गिवन टू यू सेल्स ऑफ ए फर्म, तो आपको सेल्स ऑफ ए फर्म, दैट मीन्स द फाइनल आइटम विच इज गिवन इन आर फॉर्मेट, you have to consider that point only, then we have to leave other things. Change in stock, that means closing stock minus opening stock. And intermediate consumption, if intermediate consumption direct word is given to you in the items, go for this option. But if it is not given, so that means like if the A firm purchases from B firm, A firm imports या A firm purchases from C firm, तो उसने जिस से भी परचेज किया है, whatever the raw materials purchased, whatever the machinery purchased, everything will be considered as a intermediate consumption. तो उन सबको add करके now we have to deduct over here. So now this is your first step for the GDP-MP, sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Now you have to reach up to the national income. By any way you can reach up to there. Like GDP-MP first time converting into NDP-MP, तो gross to net लाने के लिए minus depreciation, otherwise domestic is same, MP is same, so no change. Now NNP-MP, so whatever the answer of the NDP comes, I'll keep over here. Then net to net same, domestic to national, so plus के आने पाइए, and MP is same. Now after that last point, national income, that is NNPFC, so net same, national level same, only MP to be converted into FC, so minus NIT. Like see the numerical, sales is given, opening, closing, purchase of machine, intermediate consumption, purchase of raw material, export, imports, consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital means depreciation. Now what they ask you to calculate gross value added at market price. Gross value added, that means change in GDP-MP only. So first item, value of output. Value of output means sales plus change in stock. I told you that if sales is given directly, then don't take any other item. So in this question also sales is directly given. So sales 1050, we will keep it here. Change in stock कितना है? Closing is 45 and opening is 25. So 45 minus 25. And intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption is given. Purchase of machine is also intermediate consumption. Purchase of raw material is also intermediate consumption. But we will not use these items, purchase of machine, purchase of raw material. Reason, because आपके format का जो main item है intermediate consumption, directly it is given. So we will use this item 450. So after keeping the values in the formula, your answer is 620. Now your second method to calculate the national income is your income method. Income method is related with the income of the factors, and no these things are not included. Whenever we will calculate the national income from the income method, first of all your first step should be NDP-FC, because factor payments hai, the no indirect taxes, no indirect taxes are going to be imposed on the factors of the payments. So first of all directly we will start from the NDP-FC. Three major components of your first step. First of all is compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income. Direct items, if it is given, go for these items. If it is not given, then search the items. Now first of all, compensation of employees. Now which items are included in the compensation of employees? First of all, wages and salaries. Second, social security contribution by employer. Employer, that means owner. Owner जो किसी भी टाइप का compensation आपको दे रहा है, free transport, free medical reimbursement, medical insurance, anything if they are giving you, that is also included. And third one, employer's contribution towards whatever the things. So that means wages, salaries or payment of any kind, bonus, increment, anything will be included in the compensation of employees. Direct given है तो बहुत अच्छी बात, otherwise सारी चीज़ों को add करके we have to make COE. Now next item is your operating surplus. Operating surplus includes, if operating surplus directly if it is given to you, very good. If it is not given, then we have to add rent, interest, profit and royalty. 4 items we have to add. Now one more thing, rent, interest, profit and royalty. First of all you add these 4 items, so you will get the operating surplus. But in the profit also 3 subparts are also there, dividend, undistributed profit and corporate profit tax. अगर ये तीनों भी दिए हैं and profit भी दिया है, तो we will go with the main item. But if this is not given, so you have to add all these 3 items, then you will get the profit. But sometimes only the one thing is also given along with the profit. To go for the main item, always remember we have to select the item of the main format. If it is not given, then go with the subparts. And third point is mixed income. Mixed income of the employee, that means if the many services are done by the employee, so all these things will be included in the mixed income. Now example of your income method, you have to calculate national income means NNPFC and GDPMP. First of all, wages and salaries are given, undistributed profit, dividend, rent, interest, profit, mixed income, employers contribution to SS scheme, depreciation, IT, subsidies, NFIA and sales. Now for NNPFC, your first step should be NDPFC, and in the NDPFC what are our main components? Compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income. Now first of all, search direct compensation of employees is given in your items? No. If it is not given, so that means now you have to search the subparts of the COE. And what are the subparts of the COE? Wages and salaries, employers contribution to SS scheme. So wages and salaries are given, but employer contribution is not given. This is employee. So employee contribution will not be added. Employer contribution. So how much it is? So this item we will not add. We will add only wages and salaries. How much it is given? 1000. So we will keep the value 1000. Now come to the second item, operating surplus. Direct operating surplus is given? No, not given. So now first of all, rent, interest, profit and royalty. Rent is given 100, interest is given 120, profit is given 130. Okay, so all these things we will add 100, 120, 130. See, royalty is not given. Profit है, profit का एक सब पार्ट भी दे रखा है, dividend and undistributed profit. So ये दोनों item we are not going to include. Reason behind, our main item profit is given. So profit we will add. Now last item is your mixed income. So your mixed income is 300. So your NDPFC is 300. Now NDPFC we can convert it into the NNPFC. How? Net same, only domestic to national. So that means plus NFIA. तो 1650 प्लस के NFIA कितना दे रखा है? -20. So your answer is 1630. Another thing they ask you to calculate GDPMP. तो NDPFC से ही कर लेते हैं. NDPFC net to gross means minus depreciation. Net to gross means plus depreciation. Domestic same, and FC to MP plus NIT. So in this way we can calculate.